The ocean is a source of food, income, and livelihoods for millions. But as interest in the blue economy grows, so does the need to understand it clearly. On June 27, 2025, a vibrant gathering took place in Mtwapa, bringing journalists, community conservationists, government officials, BMU leaders, and the private sector under the theme Leveraging Media Advocacy to Unlock a Sustainable Blue Economy. Elijah Ngoa, a national coordinator of TUFAC, the Tuna Fisheries Alliance of Kenya, officially welcomed the participants and emphasized the need for journalists to help communities understand key policies, challenges, and opportunities in fisheries. He also stressed the importance of capacity building across all levels.
It was on leveraging media advocacy to unlock sustainable blue economy in Kenya. And the workshop brought together different stakeholders, including the media fraternity, non-state actors, including NGOs, including community-based marine conservation organization, the beach management units, and the private sector, and as well as the government represented by the Kenya Fisheries Service. And the purpose was to create a linkage between the media and stakeholders from the blue economy space, especially the fishers. Most of the time, the blue economy has come at a time when the media space has gained prominence, and we want to leverage on it as an opportunity to amplify the voices of the coastal community and also as a tool for passing message to the wider majority, especially on issues affecting the fisheries sector. We are here because the Tuna Fisheries Alliance of Kenya is one of among the civil society organizations that is implementing the Southwest Indian Ocean Sustainable Blue Economy Program of WWF, which is being implemented in partnership with national CSOs from Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, Madagascar, and South Africa. And the funding is from the government of Norway through NORAD.
Mazera Nduria, CEO and co-founder of Media for Nature, reminded everyone that media isn't just about storytelling. It's about trust and network building, and the blue economy forms an integral part of this.
Blue economy is a very key component in the economy of the coastal region. But again, when we talk about the blue economy, many people may tend to think that it's just about the ocean. But the truth is that the blue economy is a wide spectrum where it's not just about the ocean, but also other water bodies, including rivers, lakes. And here in the coast region, we are very privileged to have ecosystems like Lake Chala, Lake Jipe in Taita Taveta, the Oxbow Lakes in Tana River, Lake Kenyatta in Lamu. And all these have immense potential. But again, we also have issues like mining that happens in the waters. We also have tourism. We also have agriculture. As journalists, we also need to understand that when we report on the blue economy, we should not just be focusing on the ocean, but we should also be looking at all the aspects that comprise what makes the blue economy. It is important that we are having this workshop now.
One of the most powerful voices came from Rukia Pamba Juma, a fishmonger with the Pweza Women Group in Kilifi County. She shared how TUFAC has helped her and empowered her both as an individual and as a group member.
Nashukuru sana kwa sababu kulingana na hili shirika la TUFAC ambalo linamwezesha Mama Karanga ambao ni fish traders ambao yuko kule chini mashinani.
She believed that with the continued collaboration, fishmongers like herself will be in a much better position within the next 5 years. The workshop didn't shy away from tough issues like weak policy implementation, licensing and certification delays, and infrastructure gaps in the fisheries sector.
Nashukuru Mungu, hii elimu ambayo nimeipata leo ambayo tumesoma kupitia fisheries za mashirika mengine, hata na waandishi wa habari ambao tumekuwa nao pamoja na tukapata hii elimu zaidi, ni faida kwetu kama sisi kina mama karanga ambao tuko kule mashinani. Ningependa kama waandishi wa habari tuwe na ushirikiano wa pamoja. Kama kuna jambo lolote zuri baya ambalo linatendeka kule nyanjani, tuwe na ushirikiano wa pamoja ili tukiwa na lolote lile, ile habari ili inasambaa kwa haraka.
Amina Chombo, a journalist with Measure, Media for Environment, Science, Health and Agriculture, gave an honest reflection on what she had learned about the blue economy during the workshop, particularly the importance of journalism that remains rooted in community connections.
So niseme kwamba imekuwa fursa nzuri kwamba tumepata fursa ya kuzungumza nao wavuvi tukiwa katika mahali pamoja, tukiwa na maafisa wa serikali na vile vile haya mashirika yasiyokuwa ya serikali ambapo tumeweza kuchanganua. Nimefurahi kwamba wametoa changamoto zao, wavuvi wakielezea kwamba kumekuwa na tatizo la uaminifu kati yao na wanahabari, wakidai kwamba wakati mwingine wanahabari tunabadilisha zile taarifa ama ripoti wanavyotupa. Kwa hivyo wale ambao tumekuwepo, tukiongozwa na Bwana Mazera ambaye ni wa Media for Nature, tumeweza kuchanganua ni jinsi gani wao wanaweza kufanya kazi na sisi tutaweza kufanya kazi na wao.
She urged the community to be patient while sharing their stories and to maintain a strong relationship with journalists.
Kitu ambacho nimejifunza katika warsha hii ya leo ni kwamba masuala yote yaliyochanganuliwa ni kwamba wavuvi bado wanalalamika kwamba vitu vingi hawajahusishwa pasi na wao kutambua majukumu yao kwanza. Wamewekeza lawama nyingi katika serikali badala ya kusimama katika nafasi zao wao wakiunganishwa katika serikali ili kutekeleza wajibu wao.
The workshop was one of a kind, organized by Media for Nature and the Tuna Fisheries Alliance of Kenya, a unique platform that brought together over 30 participants from across Kenya's coastal counties of Lamu, Tana River, Kilifi, Mombasa, Kwale counties and marine sectors. The workshop was a follow-up of the Media Dialogue on Responsible Reporting on Environmental Issues held on May 27, 2025.